Here's my S Pen and then here's my Samsung Galaxy Tab. But I love to carry my Samsung Galaxy Tab with my keyboard cover case. But there is no way I can store my S Pen. So here we go. Yeah, here we go. I bought the Finite S Pen Holder for the S Pen. Here's my Finite S Pen Holder. And then here we go. Here I put inside, easily close, and then I can easily put hook like this. I mean, this is elastic. Okay, you see, yeah, here we go. So the ease of use is amazing. Normally I'm using two case. I'm using a clear TPU case which do not have a strong magnet if I'm using with a keyboard case. So I mean I can use this two case and this one. Wow, my portable mini laptop on the go. Okay, not a real laptop, just like an Android mini workstation on the go where I can type, where I can draw, where I can sketch. S Pen, especially for one note taking notes. I mean S Pen. It's like I'm using a PDA. So the Finite Leather S Pen Holder for $7 is amazing quality of money, to be honest with you. This is a must buy. Stop my video, buy this one. Literally, I'm really very much happy. You can buy for the Apple Pencil. You can buy even for the bigger pencil. I mean, the Apple Pencil. I mean, my video opinion also apply for all of the Finite S Pen Holder currently they are selling right now. So it's amazing. The elastic is strong. It's not going to get like easily. I mean, weak or loose over the years. I don't think so. At the end of the day, can I recommend? Yes, Jimmy, I can recommend. I'm literally very much happy. So what are you waiting for? Who is going to tell you to hit that subscribe button? Who is going to tell you to buy this one from my affiliate link? If you buy from my affiliate link, you are doing a great deed. The great deed is that I'm not begging for money. I bought it from my own money. I give you my honest opinion. You buy from the affiliate link, I get a 2% commission, like only few cents. This is $7. I'm 2% is like how much? Few cents. You happy, me happy. Thumbs up. Give me the like button. It was me, Gmail. Subscribe and bye.